Hey, hi, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone is having a good, productive day so far. Well, thank you for sending out your questions to me. I'm going to try my best to answer each one of them. One question that I got from Saruna here is how to get quick success in sales. Well, that's a good question indeed. Everyone is wondering how it can be done. Well, let's first fix on what is the definition of success in sales because everyone has their own definition. Success in sales is actually means that you can crack most of your deals in the shortest time possible, like the shortest sales cycle. And you can win all the deals at their true potential. It's not like customer is investing minimum because he doesn't trust you or your brand or your product. It should be won at the true potential and in the shortest time possible, and majority of the deals you should be able to crack. Now that's called success in sales. And if you want to achieve this kind of success, you need to elevate your sales efforts. That's going to bring you right here. And if you want to go further, then you need to elevate your sales approach as well. So it's something like here. So how can you do it? Let's first talk about the sales efforts. Now, you can elevate your sales efforts and that will automatically elevate your sales performance and sales success. And the quickest way of doing it is, number one is double your efforts. Double the efforts that you have been doing and it will automatically double the results. Something like if you are calling, let's say if you are doing cold calling and you call 40 people, 40 customers a day, make it just 80 customers. Try to reach out to 80 customers. That will automatically double the number of leads you are able to generate or number of deals you are able to win. It will automatically double your sales as well. Quite simple, isn't it? Yeah. So you can do that and it automatically doubles your results. If you want to take it to another level, the second level of it, what you can do is you can add new channels to your prospecting or lead engagement strategy. Something like, let's say you have been doing cold calling. You should also try to generate leads over through email prospecting or social media prospecting. These are also some beautiful channels that give high performance and everyone else is using them. So if you add it to your lead generation strategy or to your lead engagement strategy, it's going to give great results. It automatically increases your reach to the customers, that doubles the engagement and that doubles the deals that you win, and of course automatically it doubles the success that you achieve. Now last time when some of the people asked, like we cannot we do cold calling for throughout the day, how can we do email prospecting or how can we do social media prospecting? It becomes tough for us. Well, let me tell you, you don't cold call for 8 hours continuously, right? You cannot reach out to customers during their lunch breaks or after the office hours, after 5 o'clock when the office closes. So what you can do is during the 1 hour lunch break, you can employ social media prospecting or email prospecting. Try to reach customers over email or social media, or you can do it, you can dedicate 1 hour after the office hours when you stop cold calling, and you can do social media prospecting around that time. So that will automatically increases your reach to the customers and it delivers maximum results, maximum performance for you, and that gets you quick success. So this is called elevating your sales efforts. Now this efforts, this change in strategy is going to bring you right here. If you want to go beyond it, you have to elevate your sales approach. Something like try to have the top sales skills, top lead generation skills, lead generation over cold calling, social media, email prospecting, or lead qualification strategies, identifying lead potential strategies, negotiation strategies, or how to convert small leads into big leads, or strategic accounts, upselling, cross-selling. I'm talking about those kind of skills. Now, if you could elevate your skills, elevate your sales approach to have these top skills, it automatically elevate your sales performance and sales success to the maximum level. Now there are multiple ways of doing it also, doing this, and the number one is, and the fastest one is joining a sales training workshop that is instructor led. A lot of workshop happens around your city where instructors, sales trainers conduct workshops, and they try to teach you all these top sales skills. They try to address your questions around all the sales subjects. There are many platforms that let you, inform you about these workshops that's happening around your city. Something like allevents.in is one platform, Events Now, Events These are some of the platforms that basically segregate all the events happening around your city. So you can go onto those platforms, browse around the sales events that's happening in your city. I also list my workshops that I do in Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad. So you can find my workshops over there or find other workshops as per your interest and join them. And it hardly takes a day or two for you to learn these skills, get your doubts clarified, find the right niche for you, right skills that will elevate your performance and that will elevate your success. The fastest one. The second fastest one, I would say, is attending an online course, enrolling yourself into online courses, which are self-help courses. A lot of authors, sales trainers, sales coaches, performance coaches, they publish their courses on multiple platforms. One such platform is teachable.com, where I also publish my courses. So you can enroll into any of those courses, and these are self-help courses, so you can take these courses at your own pace, from your home, from your office. You just need a laptop or internet for this, and then learn those top sales skills, elevate your sales performance, and elevate your success. Pretty simple. Second one. Third being reading the books. Now, why do I rate it as third? Because books are quite focused on the subject. Some books are written on negotiations, some on sales presentations, some on lead generation through email or social media or cold calling. So if you have to gain all the top sales skills across the sales cycle, then you need to read like multiple books. That takes time. Otherwise, in terms of impact, absolutely no difference. It's the same as online sales training courses or instructor-led workshops. Book offer the same impact. It's just that it takes some time. So these are some of the strategies that will help you gain quick success. So the bottom line is elevate your sales efforts, you get quick success, then elevate your sales approach, you get massive repeated success in sales. Now this is beautiful to hear. These are good strategies, but it will have no impact, no meaning if you don't take action. So you have to start somewhere. Even you can start with reading a book, but you have to start somewhere if you really are serious about upgrading your sales performance and upgrading your or elevating your sales success. So just get started with the book itself. That's going to give you a good impact, a good change in the performance. And if you like these strategies, I would like you to like this video and in fact share it with your friends or tag them, so whoever can benefit from it. And keep sending your questions. I'm going to try my best to answer each one of those. So just keep sending it. And if you would like to get notified when my next video comes, when I try to address any questions on sales next time, just follow me here on my profile or subscribe to the subscribe button by clicking on it, and you will be notified when my next video comes up. And keep following this channel and keep receiving those cool sales strategies. All the best. Thank you very much.